Hi guys, I know I'm not wearing a shirt, but my best friend just broke my heart. And today, he unfriended me in Dead Rails and never we cannot play. So I'm sad today. Help me get a lot of subscribers to prove him wrong, who's he's messing with one day. Built like a jockey, look like a nerd. Built like a jockey, look like a nerd. That's my boy. Thank you guys for all the support. I know you can help me to beat my best friend on Dead Rails. If you know me in Dead Rails, my name is Winter Clouds 202. I will send that in Messenger, or I will put it on the title down below. Okay, guys, bye. Help me in Dead Rails to beat Electric Remains. Yeah, that's I just wanted.